All right, so this is our three-way layer punch. It rounds corners, and we have a product similar to this that rounds different radiuses of corners. This one we've added something new. We also have this little notch right here. So first of all, let me show you the corner rounding. Super great feature. I put my paper in here. This is my 10 millimeter rounded corner. Here I'm gonna do my 5 millimeter rounded corner. It's really great because they stack super nicely. You can see that if you're doing mats or something like that. But then I also have, and this is what's really new about this side, we're gonna get this little notch right here. So now what I could do is I could take a photo. Maybe I don't wanna apply adhesive to it or something. I want to be able to remove it, or it just creates a really cool look. And it's going to attach into the corners. So now I've attached my photo. I didn't use any adhesive. I can mat it together with my other piece right here. You can see I could put this on a card or a scrapbook layout, and it looks great. This is shipping right now and retails for $12.99.